Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, students, I'll teach you English, and today I'll discuss with you about books and about syllabus. So, students, you have to purchase Flamingo and Vistas. These are the two books which we are going to use this year. These both are textbooks. You can also purchase Super Refresher. This is MBD. For your help, you can prepare question answers and writing parts, reading comprehension from this help book. But in class, we will do from textbook only, that is Flamingo and Vistas. We will read chapters from these both textbooks. And this year we are going to do all chapters. Last year some reduction was done. But this year from both books we are going to do all the chapters, poems, whatever is given, we are going to prepare all. You have to prepare question answers very nicely of all these chapters, long, short, everything. You have to prepare very nicely. And rest is reading section and writing section. How you have to prepare reading section. So, like as you know that our exam is divided into 3 sections: reading, writing and literature section. Then in reading section you have to prepare 2 comprehension passages. First comprehension passage will be based on question answers. It can be based on MCQs, and it can be based on completion of passage, completion of sentences, complete the sentences. And the next comprehension passage, how you have to attempt, that is after reading the passage you have to make notes, and then you have to summarize it, and you have to give suitable title also. That later on I'll tell you how you have to make notes and how to you have to summarize according to word limit. And next thing is section. Next section, that is our writing section. So in writing section, students, you have to prepare advertisements, notice, posters, invitations, letter writing. So letters to editors, official letters or business letters. So all these letters of application, all these types of letters you have to prepare. So you can purchase your help book and you can go through all these writing parts. You can read them and have a practice, and you can do practice. Next thing is you have to prepare article, debate, speech and report writing for your exam. And you can purchase help book. You can go through all articles, debates, speeches, reports given in your help book. You have to prepare all these writing parts according to their format, according to their style. And next thing is, so in your exam you will be getting choice also between between different writing parts. So prepare your exam accordingly as you feel convenient. Accordingly you can attempt, as you feel convenient, according to that writing means according to that only you can attempt writing part which you feel you can understand. And next is students, I want to tell you that you can purchase MBD Super Refresher so that you can do preparation for your preparation of writing parts. You can have practice of reading comprehension passages. They are solved and unsolved in both ways. They are given in your book. After reading solved comprehension passages, you can do unsolved also. Then later on we will check the answers. And then next is writing parts. One by one I'll tell you how to write writing parts and what is the format of which writing part, that I will tell you later on. One by one we will discuss. And question answers. Read the chapter in detail, then learn question answer and prepare question answer according to word limit mentioned, according to marks, according to word limit given in your according to your exam style. As they mention word limit and marks, accordingly you have to prepare your question answers, long and short. writing parts also you have to keep in mind word limit, and accordingly you have to attempt your writing parts, as exceeding the word limit is not going to give you more marks. So in the beginning only you keep in mind that how you have to prepare your writing parts and how you have to prepare your question answers. So from tomorrow we will start our first chapter, and you should purchase your books. You should be ready with your books so that we can start our syllabus. And students, start your study seriously in the beginning only, because later on it's very difficult to learn whole syllabus. So take your study seriously while you're sitting at home. So students, I want you should study properly as you're sitting at home. So we'll have a beginning. We will start our we'll start our syllabus from tomorrow onwards. So thanks and have a nice day.